Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. So get ready for a SobeRish special original cocktail, which we like to call the Toxic River. So this cocktail requires some crushed ice, some lemon juice, the Red Bull, blue Curacao, vodka, and my personal favorite, the Jägermeister. With the special pourer on top. To start this original cocktail, first take out your special cocktail glass and take a shaker. In this shaker, pour some vodka, some lemon juice, and some blue Curacao. Add some ice in this. And give it a good shake. Once you're done shaking, add this mixture in your glass. Now add some crushed ice on top. After you've added your crushed ice, come on top with some Jägermeister. Now add on top some Red Bull. So as you can see, this drink has an amazing texture, something you will not find anywhere else. Anywhere but SobeRish. So if you enjoyed this Toxic River, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. And if you have any special cocktails of your own that you would like us to make, definitely post that in the comment section below. Or you can hit us up on Instagram. Until next time, cheers.